Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a get hydrated with me with SKIN1004, and I just have a bunch of their skincare I'm going to share with you. I'm so excited. I have 5 products, but I only used 4, but I did talk about the other one just so you know and are aware of what it is. But super luxe packaging. I love everything. It is perfect for all skin types. It is natural, and they focus on delivering untouched natural ingredients in the purest form to your skin, which is awesome. You don't have to worry about any unnecessary ingredients being in the products, and your skin truly gets treated like a princess and whatever else. Whatever other luxury or type of, I don't even know, okay? It makes you feel like a boss, okay? And the packaging is super nice, and the ingredients used in these products and the brand visuals, they basically want to convey the greater natural environments that we can't see in everyday life, which is awesome. So you get that at-home experience with using these. So basically, I've given you a synopsis of what the brand is about, but I will go in much further detail with the products that I'm using. I will show you how each one is used, how much of it I used, how it makes my skin feel. We're going to walk through it together. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how I achieved this glowy skin today, keep watching. So first, I'll be starting off with the SKIN1004 Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil, and that's this baby right here. If you can't tell, I have kind of irritated skin here from when my skin is getting so dry. Oh my gosh, so dry. So this will help replenish some of those oils to my skin, and you don't just have to use it when you're wearing makeup. You can use it just as a part of your skincare routine. What this actually does, it removes makeup, residual dust, and also pollutants off your skin. So I'm just taking a little pump, well, a lot more than a little. So basically what you do is you want to take a few pumps into your hand, like I did, and you want to put it onto your dry face with your dry hands. You don't want any water at this point. And already my skin is starting to liven up a lot, and it feels absolutely amazing. What you want to do is you want to massage it in circular motions, and this helps dissolve makeup. But if you're not wearing makeup, it helps to dissolve debris, any dirt that may be on your skin. You know, if I'm being out and about, like I was today, did a bit of grocery delivery today, and I want to make sure all of that stuff is cleansed away. Now, I have some water in a little basin here, and I have my little cotton pad. At this point, you want to wet your skin. It's going to create a light and milky emulsion. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water actually to my face. I put some on my fingers, why not? And you can already see consistency changing. Add a bit more just so you can see it on camera. Sometimes it washes it out, but I want to make sure you see it. Can continue those circular motions. Gonna take a bit more water. Just make sure. As you can see, the consistency is changing to that milky emulsion that I was mentioning before. Now, this is a non-irritant, safe cleansing oil, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm gonna put it around my eyes because it's a bit irritated. And gosh, that feels so much better already. And it's really starting to hydrate those red spots around my eyes, which is nice. Now, this has a really lightweight texture, and after you're done with it, it leaves your skin with a cool sensation, which is really nice, especially if your skin is irritated. And also I want to mention that SKIN1004 is hypoallergenic, so it's suitable for all skin types. So whether your skin is irritated like mine, super dry like mine, whether you're oily, combination, it doesn't matter. SKIN1004 will be great for your skin type. Okay, now you want to rinse away with lukewarm water. I'm going to improvise. I have a cotton pad here, warm water. Gonna rinse it away. So now what you want to do is rinse away with lukewarm water. And if you don't want to use the Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil, there is another option. You can use the Madagascar Centella Ampoule or Ampule Foam. And this is just another option to cleanse your skin. It still removes makeup, still has similar benefits. Except with this one, it contains natural soda powder, which is going to more deeply cleanse your pores, remove dirt, makeup, and all of that jazz. Whereas this one is a lot more gentle, so it just depends on what you're looking for. I would look at this one as more of like an exfoliator, and this one more like a more hydrating, squeaky, soft clean, or more gentle clean. All right, my next step, because I've done my light cleansing oil, I will be taking toner. This is the Madagascar Centella Toning Toner. Say that 10 times, okay? 10 times fast. This is what the packaging looks like. Everything is super luxe. I love the packaging. The white is so nice. Now, when you think about toner, sometimes you may think of harsh ingredients and things like that, but this one is non-irritating. It's very gentle on the skin. Also, I should quickly mention, normally when I use a cleanser, I have to rush into my next skincare step because my skin is super dry. I just want to show you after using that cleanser, even though I still have a bit of redness right here, it's not nearly as prevalent as it was before. My skin looks so much better already, instantly, and my skin feels amazing. I don't see any dry patches like I would normally. After cleansing my face, I don't have to rush into the next step. Although, of course, I'm gonna continue the next steps, which is awesome. Definitely a plus. Toner. I keep getting sidetracked. Okay, so this toner is not like other toners because it has many more benefits. I have a cotton pad. Let me take another one. That one is the one I used earlier. There's another one. I'm going to apply this next. Now this helps brighten and reduce wrinkles. Never heard of a toner doing that, but this one is amazing because it has those benefits. And it delivers intense hydration to the skin, which y'all know I'm all about. If you have any skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, anything like that, it will provide relief to that as well. And that is from the 84% of centella extracts. I'm also gonna take a bit on my neck. I tend to pull my toner down there because I want those same benefits, okay? Definitely full of hydration. Now I'm going to take the SKIN1004 Madagascar Centella Ampule. Just taking a dropper full. I've already squeezed it. Oh gosh, not squeezed. I'm just taking some of that. Look in my mirror for this. Be careful. That's how I like to do mine. It makes me feel more luxurious. I don't know why. That's not enough. Let me use my hands. It's the same dropper full, by the way. You don't need a whole lot of this at all. Now this strengthens your skin's barrier, calms irritated skin, which is what we're looking for, okay? And it provides protection from external harms, and that's already added a nice extra layer of protection against my skin. Now I mentioned the packaging, how luxe it was. They do focus on visually pleasing packaging, but it is also effective. It feels great on the skin. Super lightweight. You don't have to worry about your pores getting clogged from putting on so much product. Everything is light that I've applied so far. Everything is light that I've applied so far, and it feels great on the skin. And my skin is soaking it in nicely. Now I'm taking the SKIN1004 for my last step. This is their Madagascar Centella Soothing Cream. Comes in nice container like this. I have some in my hands already. I'm gonna start with a little just to see how far it goes, and it goes pretty far. Just pressing this into my skin. Oh my gosh, it's super lightweight. It's truly a soothing cream. It feels great. You can already see what a glow my skin has with those steps. Now this strengthens and maintains the protective layer of your skin, and the original 3 components of the lipid layer helps your skin to absorb the product naturally, which is amazing. And it provides explosive hydration, which you can clearly see. Like, look at the difference in my skin. Oh my gosh. My skin feels so great, and my skin doesn't feel like there's so much product on it. Like, with some of the things I use, so many products that I use normally, my skin, it feels great, you know, usually, but it feels like I have a thick layer of product on my face. And oftentimes before I put my makeup on, or right when I put my makeup on, it starts to peel away underneath. With this, it's super light. Each thing you put on your skin from SKIN1004 is super light, and they build perfectly together. I don't feel like this is budging, and I feel like it's truly stuck on and into my skin. Like, really, my skin feels super hydrated, and it also looks super hydrated, but it feels amazing. I don't feel like my skin is stretching it or anything like that. That is it for my Get Hydrated With Me routine featuring SKIN1004. These products are amazing. I love them so much, especially having dry skin, and I'm so glad that my eyes, or my, whatever you call this area, crow's feet, oh God, I don't want to call it that, but the corners of my eyes aren't nearly as irritating as they were in the beginning of the video, but my skin has a nice glow. It just feels amazing, and I'm super happy to share these with you and have you all try them. I'll have links to the products that I used in the video in the description bar. Let me know if you have any questions. If you ever tried SKIN1004, definitely let me know. I would love to know. Visit the link in the description box bucks to purchase these products from SKIN1004's official Amazon store and bring Madagascar to your skin.